Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best electric ratchet wrench in this video? I will show you the top 3 best electric ratchet wrench to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, 47.5 nautical miles brushless electric wrench. Specifications. Brand name, Lift. Type, rechargeable electric wrench. Power source, electricity. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. The item number 2 is 28 volts cordless electric impact wrench. Specifications. Brand name, Lift. Usage, home DIY. Power source, battery. Type, rechargeable electric wrench. Power source, electricity. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Wasai 45 nautical miles cordless electric wrench. Specifications. Brand name, Wasai. Usage, home DIY. Power source, battery. Weight, 1.5 kilograms. Dimensions, 30.6 by 9. 6 centimeters. Rated voltage, 12 volts. Model number, WSB3. Power source, electricity. No load speed, 380 revolutions per minute. Max torque, 45 Nm.